The Hyder Church. Hyder is located approximately 85 miles east of Yuma, Arizona. In this farm community, this church sat vacant for many years. The roof leaked and did quite a bit of damage inside. The outside needed to be cleaned up. It was in such bad shape. The doors were rusted. The cement around the entrances were all in bad shape. There was no shade but one tree. The ends of the building, the stucco, was in bad need of repair. The floors on the inside, the tiles were buckling from the water that had gotten in and needed to be replaced. The classrooms that had wallpaper on them was coming off. The antiquated light system inside was bad and needed to be replaced, and there were quite a few stains on the wall. But yet, when the church was open, people came. People wanted to learn about God and hear the Word of God. Christ Presbyterian Church of Huntington Beach, through Christian missionary pilots, made a donation to take care of some of these repairs. Not having any shade, we were able to put up an awning for shade. This was just the beginning. We removed the old cement, sanded the doors down, and got them ready for paint. We put up forms around the doors and the entrances, and were able to pour cement. And once that was done, we painted the doors, and it made such a difference in the appearance of the building. Later on, we were able to put cement where the shade was. Now it's in much better shape. Thanks to Christ Presbyterian Church, we were able to make these repairs. Without the funds that they donated, this would probably have not been able to have gotten done in such a timely fashion. As you can see, there's quite a bit of difference, but it was the workers that came that put it all together. A well house was built around the well to keep the sun off. The light pole that didn't have a light on it now has a light on it. The stove in the kitchen that was very shocking has been replaced with one with a self-cleaning oven. The refrigerator that was in bad shape has now been replaced with a frost-free refrigerator. In the classrooms, there are cabinets that have been put up. Yes, the old antiquated lights have been replaced, and we even have a ceiling fan. And people are coming. People are coming to hear the Word of God. Thanks again, Christ Presbyterian Church. You made this possible. The children are happy, and they now have a place that they can come and hear the Word of God and play outside and enjoy. This church that was in the middle of the desert is now a lighthouse for this community. The cross is lit in the night because of you lighting up the community. Thank you for your prayers. Thank you for your support. Thank you for being there for the children and the community. God bless you.